Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix air speaker not working on iPhone in iOS 17.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable phone noise cancellation. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, tap audio and visual. On the audio visual page, enable phone noise cancellation. Solution number 2. Disable and re-enable change with button. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap sound and haptics. On the haptic page, disable change with button. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 3. Check for blockage. Ensure nothing is blocking the air speaker, such as a screen protector or case. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.